Hey there. What are today's messages and which envelope is it in today? Let's pick the butterfly. The butterfly does not look back at the caterpillar in shame, just as you should not look back at your past in shame. Your past was a part of your own transformation. Remember, don't hate, don't compare, don't worry, don't expect, and don't complain. And tell me how you feel later after you do those. No one gets to decide what love means to you. This is your story. Feel good. Next time you feel guilty, ask, am I feeling guilty because I made a mistake or because I have been conditioned to feel guilty anytime someone dislikes or disapproves of my actions? And the last one today. Every time you hide your authenticity to be accepted, you are abandoning yourself. Every time you choose to silence your voice, you are abandoning yourself. Every time you let others walk over your boundaries, you are abandoning yourself. Every time you try to make others feel more comfortable at the expense of your well-being, you are abandoning yourself. Until you stop abandoning yourself, you will suffer. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.